Imagine a place where young people could walk in, be one with nature, learn about the environment, connect with their heritage, a space where elders and young people sit in one space with intergenerational knowledge and skills transferred and passed on to each other. This is exactly what we are trying to do with Kwamasi Cultural Heritage Center, to be that living classroom where it's all about experiential learning. We are inviting you to become part of Kwamasi Cultural Heritage Center within this building process. You can donate to our campaign or share our campaign with as many people as you can, people who might believe in what we are trying to build here, something that then lives beyond us. The GoFundMe link is live and it's in the comment section. And to all the Zimbabweans who would love to give and donate to this campaign, EcoCash numbers have also been shared in the comment section. Thank you so much for standing with us and for wanting to build with us.